Hi, StepUp.one team. I wanted to talk about a quick new feature that I found out, which could be really used for creating our meeting calendar links. Initially, if you remember, all of us were using calendly.com, but I think we could use HubSpot because it's just quick and easy. So click on sales and click on meetings. As you can see, there is meetings. So this should take you to this particular thing, and you should be able to create, I've already done this thing, but you can do the same thing with yourself. Create something called meeting with StepUp.one. You don't have to write the word founder, but just say meeting with StepUp.one, and you can put your own name after that. So how do you do that? Let me just show you. I did this. So you copy and paste meeting with StepUp.one. You don't have to say founder. The organizer name would be yours. The title will be the same as the name here, and then put down your personal meeting room, Zoom meeting room here, and then the description that we normally put, so this one is the description. And also make sure that you add this need to make changes, reschedule and cancel links, which are here. So you can do that by just flipping this button. So if you flip it like this, it will just add that particular thing, right? So once you have done that, you have finished this particular page. Save it. Obviously, I have nothing to save, that's why it's not coming. Otherwise, the save button will be here. You should just press save. After that, go to scheduling. In scheduling, you will basically say when are you available, right? So the title of the page was meet with StepUp.one founder. Don't need this name, or you can put whatever. And the options that you have is whether it's a 15-minute meeting or a 30-minute meeting. I think I'll remove this 15-minute meeting. That doesn't make any sense. But you should just keep the 1 hour meeting option. You should not even have the 30-minute option. Your time zone will be Nairobi or wherever you are. That should be your time zone. And your availability window is Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, right? I think I'm going to slightly change it to Monday to Friday, maybe 9 to 6 maybe. And then Saturday, Sundays also we can add, but I'm not going to get into that. Right. I'm going to save that. And then you can also send a test mail to check if the whole thing is working. And the pre-meeting reminders, when you want to do it, send a mail to the 1 hour before, just make sure that you send a thing, email body. Okay, so that's it. So you have done. So after this, just save everything, and then that's it, you're done. But you also have a chance to link your existing calendar, just like you did with thing. So you can see how to do it by going back. So this is the thing. You can also basically, so then you copy the link and then you paste it in a new browser just to check how it works. So it would just come like this. And then, the logo is automatically picked up. Your photo is automatically picked up from, I think if your photo is not coming, then you have to go and, adjust it here in this one. The photo is getting picked up from here. So make sure that you have all the photos and stuff like that, in your column. So if you see, I have my photo here. And then the client will be able to book. So the reason why, all my other times are not coming is because I've already booked on those times. Why this is coming is because I've already connected my calendar to my thing. So you should also be able to do the same thing, connect your calendar also, right? How do you do that? Let me just see. So 5 views, 2 meetings are booked, etc., etc. Those kind of things are coming. Let me see how to do the the calendar thing. I think it's inside this only, possibly. I'm just not able to because I have been able to company token start. Okay, add video conference, I've done that. Description, I've done that. Scheduling, I've done that. Time zone, I've done that. What are the things that are required? First name, last name, email. Yeah, that's it. Those three are good enough. Additional setting, nothing here, nothing here. There is a way to sync your calendar, and I'm sure when you log in first time, it will just give you that option. Explore it. If you find it difficult, let me know.